In this video, you will learn how to set up and activate the supervision of your company to a business partner or Alcatel-Lucent employee. As an end customer, you want to authorize a business partner or Alcatel-Lucent employee to supervise your fleet supervision company. Go to Supervision and Authorized Companies. You can see here that one business partner has been accepted and two other users have yet to accept the invitation. Click on Create Request Supervision and select the type of supervisor you want to invite. For a business partner, you will have to select the company then. And for an ALE employee, enter his email address instead. Check that the user has been successfully invited and note that the status will stay in the pending state until the user accepts it. From the supervisor point of view, an ALE employee here is what they can do. Under Supervision, you can see that this user is not supervising any other company. The pending invitation can be found here, and the request can be accepted or rejected. If accepted, the end customer company is found in the Supervised Companies menu, and you can click on the Supervise Company button. The ALE employee is now connected to the end customer company, as you can see in the Management System and Device Catalog. New management systems can be declared by the supervisor, as well as unmanaged network devices. But the hardware exchange action is restricted to the end customer and cannot be performed by the supervisor. Once the session is completed, the supervisor has just to disconnect from the end customer company. Back to the end customer account, you can see that the supervisor we invited has accepted the invitation. Under the session logs, we can find all the latest sessions initiated by the supervisor, as well as the status and duration of the sessions. And under the Supervision Request activity, you can find a history of the requests being sent, accepted, or rejected. In order to remove a supervisor from your company, come back to the Authorized Companies menu. Select the supervisor you want to remove and click on Revoke Supervision. Back to the Fleet Supervision portal of the supervisor, you can see in the Supervised Companies menu that we no longer find the end customer company. Note that the supervisor could leave the company instead from this menu.